The defense industry is about boundaries and limits. These might be our own limits. We always work hard to break them through. Sometimes the limit might be today itself. We keep focusing on the future. The boundaries might be daunting as an ocean. We cross them over. To prevail, we dive to the deepest. Some might claim sky is the limit. We go further. Even if the target is too far to reach, we always manage to get through. We manage to guide when we need to protect the life itself. And one day, if our borders are threatened, we'll do everything in our power to defend it. For us, discovering what's beyond limits and pushing past them is a matter of life and death. Our business is about limits, so that you could be free and safe in a world without limits.
Enerji santralına yapılan siber saldırı kısa sürede engellendi.
STM. Engineering the next.